Assembly of a curling lane. In this video, we will show you how to assemble a synthetic curling lane step by step. The process is quick and simple and only requires following the correct order of the panels. We begin by installing the panels that form the curling house, the target. Next, we place the top panels that go above the curling house. Make sure it is correctly centered in relation to the axis of the rink. Next, we place the panels from the house downwards until the center line of the rink is complete. To finish the assembly, we install the side panels starting from the top. Depending on the type of curling lane being installed, it may come with wooden borders, as seen in the image, or without them. And that's it. Your curling lane is fully assembled and ready for play.